Hi friends, today I'm gonna tell you that sometimes this happens that when we try to download any application from the Google Play Store, we can't install. And this shows the message that free up space. And in this situation, we don't want to uninstall any of the application in our Android phone. So for this, we have to click on storage, then click on internal storage. When this screen comes, although it will take few minutes, drag down and go to the other apps, click on it, and then select each app and click on clear cache. Repeat the process with different apps. Click clear cache, like click on and then clear cache. You have to do this with all your applications available in your Android phones, especially those applications which are consuming larger MBs. But for the safe side, I am doing this process with all applications in my Android phone. It's must to do clear cache. This will help to increase space in our Android phone and make it possible to download a new application. See what I'm doing. I'm clicking on each app and then clicking on clear cache. Now go back, then cancel it, and then click again on install. Then we will see that installation started. We have successfully installed the application. Now click on the open, and now you can use it. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Bill and Tech. Bye for now.